Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the size of a Squarespace gallery section on mobile. This is particularly useful when you want your gallery to display perfectly on smaller screens and have more control over how your images appear to mobile visitors. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all your websites. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll need to click on the website where you want to change the gallery section size on mobile. This opens up your specific site's editing interface, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. Now, on the left side of your screen, click on Website. This expands a menu with several options underneath it. From these options, click on Pages. This section shows you all the pages that make up your website, making it easy to navigate to exactly where your gallery is located. Next, locate the page where you have your gallery section. Once you've found and opened that page, simply click the Mobile View button on the upper right of your screen. This switches your preview to show how the page looks on mobile devices, which is essential for making mobile-specific adjustments. You'll want to see exactly how your changes affect the mobile experience in real time. Then, on the left side menu, click on Custom Code. Under it, you'll see an option for Custom CSS. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can add custom styling to control the appearance of elements on your site, including your gallery dimensions on mobile. Now, I'm going to paste the code here, and feel free to pause the video so you can copy it accurately. It's important to note that I'm using a gallery with the gallery type set to slideshow reel. So in my code, I'm specifically using the term reel. You can adjust the height value in the code to resize your gallery however you want. Also, if you're using a different gallery type, just change the gallery type name in the code to match yours. This flexibility allows you to customize the code for your exact setup. Once you've pasted and adjusted your code, click Save. This applies your changes and ensures they're active on your mobile site. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the size of your Squarespace gallery section on mobile using custom CSS. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.